Hey guys, so I got this apart. This is the front axle on the Ventrac 4500. What we were able to do was unbolt a flange that was holding the axle in and then use the slide hammer to pull it out. And found that the bushing that rides here and the bearing that rides here worn right down, damaged, and there was an oil seal right there that was torn. So I managed to pull out the three. You can see them here. That's the seal. It's a little more mangled because I had to extract it, but it was torn right there. And then the bearing was just finished. You can see that. And that's the bushing collar. I had to cut that to get that off. This is the shaft, drive shaft. That's the plate that holds it all together. So with a slide hammer on there, I was able to get these 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts through that hole there, through that hole right there, 4 bolts, and yank this out. So I hope I can get some parts here in the next few days and put this back together, and I can throw this video together and you guys can watch the fun. Thanks for watching.